Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to start on page 671 in your math book. The lesson for today is to relate inches, feet, and yards. And we're going to talk about today how inches fit inside of feet and feet fit inside of yards and how inches fit inside of yards. But yards won't fit inside of inches because it's too big, and neither will yards fit inside of feet. So we're going to figure out how the smaller units of measurement fit into the bigger units and how that all works out together. So let's take a first look at this desk, and they want us to measure it. I know that this desk is 2 feet wide. See right here, they're doing how wide it is, 2 feet. So this is 1 foot right here. Remember, 1 ruler equals 1 foot, 12 inches. So if I have 2 of them, if I have 2 rulers, I don't need to count this 12 again. I can just count 12 more. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 2 rulers put together equals 24 inches. So 2 feet is the same as 24 inches. Oh, my 2 went crazy up here, huh? Let's put it back here. This little guy right here, this shelf is going to be 1 foot, even though it says feet. But how many inches is in 1 foot? We said back here that 2 feet is 24. So if we just did 1, you can see that it has how many right here is the number? 12. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. This door over here, I know, is 36 inches. Oh boy, 36 inches. Well, we knew before that 2 of these rulers, 2 of these feet were, it was 24, right? So 24 is not big enough. We're trying to get to 36. So I wonder if 3 rulers would be 36. Let's see. Well, we know that this is 24, these 2. Let's try and see. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 3 feet is the same as 36 inches. 36 inches. Oops. My craziness, Miss Holler. I'm losing my mind. I'm sorry, boys and girls. 3 feet is the same as 36 inches. Because look, oops, not that one. 3 of these, 3 feet is the same as 36 inches. All right, let's take a look at our next page. It's page 672. It says, see and show. You can use different units of length to measure the same object. The hockey stick is 48 inches long, but it's also 4 feet long. So you could do it either way. It's 48 inches or 4 feet. So 4 feet and 48 inches are the same. So I have put in a few of the numbers here for these. This desk that we have, we're going to say is 3 feet. And they want to know, how many yards is that? Well, I did put a yardstick out here. This is a yardstick. And they want to know, again, 3 feet is how many yards? Remember, this is a foot right here. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So 3 feet in a yard. Let's put this, even though it has an S on it, we're going to put 1 yard. So this desk is 1 yard long. Our chalkboard here is 2 yards long. All right, so we're going back here. If this 3 is 1 yard long, 3 rulers, 3 feet is 1 yard. How many would I have to do it if I did 2 yardsticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would just have to do it again, right? So it was 2 yardsticks. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard, and there are 6 feet in 2 yards. Remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you need to make sure that you just slow me down and rewind me, and I will be able to help you listen to it again. All right, let's go to page 673. I did put the numbers in for today, some of them to help us figure out where we're going to be as far as the measurements starting. So our bookshelf here is 3 feet tall. 3 feet tall. They want to know how many inches is that. So if I have 3 feet, 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, that was 12, remember? And then 12 more. And we said 12 plus 12 is 24. And then 24 plus 12. Ooh, I got to write that one out. 24 plus 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 36 inches. So we're going to write in 36 inches is 3 feet. Number 4 says this book is 12 inches. So if it is 12 inches, how many feet is that? We go back up here. 12 inches is how many of the rulers? Just 1. So 12 inches is 1 foot, even though they wrote feet. It's okay. Number 5, we already did this door. So we said that 3 feet, we did that back on the other page. 3 feet equals 36 inches. So we're going to put in, oh, it equals 36 inches. But look, Miss Holler, we're going to what? Yards. So I got to figure out how many yards it is. So sorry, boys and girls. So if it's 3 feet, here is 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet. So how many yardsticks is it? It's just 1. Whew, good thing I read that. So we put in it that it's 1 yard. All right, this teeter-totter is 6 feet long. So 6 rulers long. How many yards would that be? If I had 6 rulers. Well, we know 3 rulers is 1 yard. So we would have to have 2 rulers in order for it to be 6 yards. 1, 2, 3, and then another ruler, 4, 5, 6. So 6 feet is the same as 2 yards. So we're going to write a 2 in there. Our slide for number 7 is 12 feet. That's pretty big. 12 feet. So we would have 12 rulers. 12 rulers. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can do this. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Woo! We've got rulers everywhere, don't we, boys and girls? It's rulers central. Okay. Let's get this guy out of here. So if I have 12 rulers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many yardsticks is that? 1 yardstick, 2 yardsticks, 3 yardsticks, 4 yardsticks. So 12 feet is the same as 4 yards. And then number 8 is our computer, and our computer is inches. So it is 12 inches, and there are 12 inches in 1 foot. 1 foot. All right, let's take a look at our problem solving. It says Sheridan's scooter is 3 feet long, and Sage's scooter is 38 inches long. Whose scooter is longer? So Sheridan's scooter is 3 feet long. So how long is 3 feet? You need to go back up here and remember, how long is 3 feet? So here's 1. Let's get that out of here. Here's 1, 2, 3. 3 feet. Remember, we said 12 plus 12 is 24, and 24 plus 12 is 36. So if we go back over here, we said that Sheridan's scooter is 3 feet long. So her or his scooter is 36 inches long, and Sage's scooter is 38 inches long. Whose scooter is longer? If you think the answer is Sage, you are correct. Remember, when we are looking for the question and we look for the word whose scooter is longer, they're not looking for a number, they're looking for a name or a title of something. So Sage, her scooter is a little bit longer than Sheridan's scooter. All right, number 10. The diving board is 8 feet long, and the low diving board, and the high diving board is 4 yards long. So how many feet longer is the diving board? So the low one is 8 feet. So we're going to put low equals 8 feet. And then the high diving board is 4 yards. How many feet is 4 yards? I think we did that already, remember? 4 yards, here's 1 yard, here's 2 yards, here's 3 yards, here's 4 yards. Let's see how many feet are in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the low diving board is 8 feet and the high diving board is 12 feet. But our question is, how many feet longer is the high diving board? So we have to do 12, that's our high diving board, minus 8 equals, that's going to tell us how much longer the high diving board is. And if you said 4, you are correct. It is 4 feet longer. Number 11, the green bike is 1 yard long. The yellow bike is 38 inches long. Which bike is shorter? We said that 1 yardstick just a couple minutes ago is 36 inches long. So that is the green bike. The green bike is 36 inches, and the yellow one is 38 inches. Which one's shorter? If you said the green bike, you are correct, because 36 is smaller than 48. Okay, boys and girls, no homework for tonight. You just have to do 2 piggy facts. All right, good job with the lesson today.